Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. And yes, got something different for you guys today. As you can see, this is my Nadula half wig. It is pulled up. I don't have a headband on or anything because you can't see this part of my head, and I feel like this looks fine. So there's that. So versatile. This half wig has literally been life-changing for me, and I actually like that it does not have the band part because it makes it even more workable for me. And this is so dope because I learned how to use it. Like my headband, what is it called, wig grip with this, baby, that was all she needed. Anyway, this is not about this. We got something new for you guys. So today, guys, I have a wig video for you, and I'm so excited because our unit today is from UNice. Yes, so excited. Something that is different for me, so I'm excited to try it out and share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it because she's new. So guys, I'm excited about this because it's a colored unit. At first I was like, I don't know, B, but then I kind of got into it, and so we finna get into it together because I think she's gonna be bomb. So let's get into what's happening here. This is gonna be an 18-inch unit, and it's 100% human hair. Of course, you guys know that. It comes with the way to measure your wigs on the back, how to wash the wigs, how to comb the wigs, all that information, if you're new to wigs, is back here so that you don't have to feel like you are out there in the cold and you don't know what to do. They provide you with all that information, which I actually appreciate that because I feel like now wigs are such a big thing that people automatically assume everyone knows what to do, how to do, what to do, and that's not the case. Some people need pointers, so I appreciate that they put that kind of stuff on the back of there. So you open up your box. This box is very sturdy too, by the way, so I appreciate that because I've gotten boxes that are like beat up. So some goodies in your package. Ooh, y'all, I have wanted one of these. This is like one of those edge things. Ooh, I've seen people have these and I've wanted one, and now I think I got one. Yes, where you just put it on like your edges if you want to let your lace like. Ooh, y'all, I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm so corny, but I love this. And you could even fold it over and wear this like a headband with that satin. Okay, I'm here for that. Yes, I love getting free gifts, like stuff you weren't expecting. I'm here for that. Get some wig caps. This is the color that I use, so just I think this is a 2-pack. They're usually a 2-pack. I don't know how many are in here, but there typically are 2 in here. So that's good because I don't be having time to go to the hair store and get no new wig caps. And then again, washing instructions and how to keep your units. And again, this is oh, I forgot to mention, this is UNice Amazon. Y'all know how we do for Amazon. We stand Amazon. So UNice Amazon. What more could you ask for? Like, duh. Y'all knew she was coming with some Amazon something. You would think I'm still affiliated with Amazon as much as I still be promoting for Amazon. I'm not. I just really do love Amazon though. Like, I really do buy lots of stuff on it. But anyway, here is the unit, y'all. Do y'all see her? Y'all see her? Oh, 99J, honey. She's burgundy. She's burgundy. I've never had a human hair wig that was like colored like this or any of that. Look at the, oh my goodness. I can't. I'm salivating. Hold on. I can't. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Look at how rich this color is. Look at how rich this color is. Oh my goodness. Isn't she lovely? And this 18 inches is like, I feel like it's a long 18 inches. Like, it's nice. She nice. So let's go ahead and get into the construction of this wig. So here it is not a lace frontal, it is a closure, which I think that that's a thing. I think that it's been a thing that the reason we have so many headband wigs and stuff, I heard this anyway, girl, I don't know if it's true or not. But the reason that we have all these headband wigs and stuff is because they're running out of frontals overseas. And so I get that might have something to do with it, but I'm here for it. Whatever the reason, I'm here for it because I love this headband wig stuff. I don't have to do nothing but lay my edges, baby. She's in here. But anyway, so this is a little closure, a 4x4. This looks like a 4x4 or 3x4 closure. But I think this one has that silk stuff on it because look at that. Look at that. And that's not my hand behind that. That's just what it looks like. So you don't have to do all the concealer and everything. I'm so here for it. It says silk base face fake scalp. That's what that is. Wow, that looks amazing. Pre-plucked middle part with baby hair. Oh my gosh, look at that. So in the construction of the cap, of course, you've got the combs on each side. Then you have one at the nape, and then you have adjustable straps. You do get some lace on the back as well. I usually kind of hate it when they put the lace in the back because this is not like a wig that I would pull up necessarily, but I mean, I guess the option is there if you want it, but I mean, not really because you can't, I mean, what do you, I mean, I don't know. I guess this is supposed to be baby hair in the back, maybe. I don't know. So, but very, very nice cap construction. Let's try her on. Let me show y'all how easy we about to pull this off. And just like that, my headband wig is off. Ponytail and everything. Like, tell me that's not easy. Ooh. So y'all, I have my, what are these called? Wig grips. These I get from Amazon as well. And then I just have on a net, like a net thing. I love these wig grips, y'all. They really are the best. So let's try her on and see how she is. The straps are already attached, adjusted, and all that. So we're going to pull her on and see what we need to do, if anything, to this part. I love how snug this cap is. Ooh, ooh. Boy, stop. OMGG, as Misha would say. That's my girl. Y'all, go. If you're not already subscribed, which I know most of my subscribers probably are, go subscribe to Makeup Misha. She's so bomb. That's my sis. I love her. I done got this twisted up in here some kind of way. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that is such a good fit. That's such a snug fit. Y'all, my head is pretty big. It's like 22.5 inches around. So when a wig fits me good, honey, you want to take notice. Oh my gosh, why is this bomb? Why is this bomb? All she needs is a good flat ironing, honey. Cut this lace off. Put your little baby hair, honey. What? I don't need to do anything to this. That's the part. That part. Like, what? Why is it so bomb? I love it. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off because she cute and I like it. I guess I could take it off my head and cut the lace, and cut the lace in the bag. These shears are from Amazon too, y'all already know. Let me take this off my head before I mess up something, so I can cut it off. But ooh, the lace is like the perfect color for me. Oh, I love this. UNice. Yes. I am so here for it. I'm just kind of like zigzagging it. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just really, I just wear wigs. I'm not really like the end all be all know all, cause baby, I just be trying to look cute. That's it. I don't do hair like that. I used to want to, but I don't know what happened to that. But this lace is nice. It's not like too stiff or anything like that. It's kind of like, almost feels like Swiss lace a little bit. It's a very nice, comfortable lace. Firm enough that you don't feel like you're gonna rip it, but not so firm that it's uncomfortable and scratchy and all that. Because I can't stand that, honey. Get this off my head. Get this itchy, scratchy lace off my head. Don't nobody want that. Okay. So there we go. Oh, this looks so good. I just cannot get over this part. Like, that is so cool. Let's see. Let's put it back on. That is so bomb. Like, what? Why is this color so pretty? I could never wear this to work because it's burgundy and they not here for the unnatural colors. But honey, this is so pretty. And you could do your little baby hairs up, child. So you could have them showing a little bit. I probably wouldn't do mine just because my hair is so dark. And that's not that cute because my hair is so dark. Let me see. But y'all, I don't even have a big forehead and I feel like my forehead looks big. You could even shift that to the side maybe. And wear her like that. Baby, and put some hold on. Yeah, put some curls in her. Put some. Ooh. Ooh, I need to see myself better than this viewfinder because, honey, get into it. She's gorge. She's gorge. Like, what? And I feel like 18 inches is a really good length for straight hair. If you're getting curly, you could go longer. But for me, I mean, you can go longer anyway. I'm not trying to sound like nobody's mama or nothing. But for me, like straight 18 inches is cool. Like I might get into some 20s and stuff just if I'm trying to be extra. But on the cool, like 18 is really nice. Like, girl, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I ain't put no concealer. I ain't plucked nothing. None of that. That's just how she comes, sis. That's how she comes. UNice did that. No, for real. They did that. Like, turn that thing over, girl. If I add a couple of bumps in this, you wouldn't be able to tell me nothing. Who gonna check me, boo? Who? Let's see. That is bomb. That is literally bomb. I'm so like, girl, what? And then you can put her back in the middle if you want a little center. Y'all know I'm not the hugest fan of the center part. But, I mean, I could do something with it. Especially if it's like super sleek and straight. Ooh-wee. Cover my little widow's peak. Yep. Girl, I think I like it better to the side, but she's still serving. Are you eating? Because she's serving. Ugh, girl. The only thing about when you like put them to the side is that it's a little awkward because the tabs aren't like in the right place, but who cares about that? Who cares about comfort? It's all about style. Yeah, she's a winner. She's a winner. Yeah. Listen, she is beautiful. She's not tangling. She's not, I even cut the lace and I'm not seeing like a whole bunch of hairs everywhere. I think maybe because I did a better job at cutting the lace than I typically do, but it's not like a ton of hair coming out or anything. The color is vibrant and beautiful and even. The cap fits perfectly. It's a perfect snug fit. I just love it. The length is perfect. It's not all like flimsy and thin at the ends like some wigs are, or like some bundles can be. Like, this is gorgeous and this color is beautiful. This, like, if you curl this up, honey, why is this so pretty? Is it just me? Am I tripping, or do y'all think it's pretty too? Tell me in the comments, because I love it. Girl, what? I love it. And I know I'm being extra, but it makes me feel extra. And ooh, even some like spiral curls make this like big curly loose curls. That would be really pretty, like to put some volume. And the density on this thing is very nice. I believe it's 150 density, but it doesn't, like, it feels like it might be a tad bit more than that, because it doesn't feel light, it doesn't feel thin. It feels good. It feels like a nice unit. I am obsessed. Throw you on a little hat. Well, hold on. Y'all know my little hat that I got the other day. Throw you on a little hat, baby. Giving Jessica Rabbit vibes. Like, yes. Please. Y'all know I got a big head, but oh yeah, my little beanies I be wearing in the wintertime, you know, the ones you sit back, or your red, I got my red bottom hat, honey, sit that on here and just give the people what they want. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I am obsessed. I love it. I think she's great. She's gorgeous. She's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Definitely want this unit, especially if you're into color, but you don't want to do it yourself or whatever the case may be. And I love this because my hair is not out, so I don't have to have dark roots. I can have just the full, you know, full color, you know, of the full color wig, and not worry about, you know, whether or not it's gonna look right, because none of my hair is out. And this is gorgeous. It really is. It really is. I wish I could wear this to work because it's really pretty. Ugh, they did that. UNice, Amazon, y'all. Oh, child, my head is itching. I need to wash my hair. Okay, that's it for this video. Of course, you guys know I will link everything down below for you guys to check out for yourselves. But you definitely want to give this unit a try, especially if you're like me and you're like getting into wigs and you want to try everything. You like some colors, some everyday colors, some normal stuff, some not so normal stuff. Like, I want to get into everything. So I'm so thrilled with this. Something different for me. Not that I've never worn color before, because I used to have a really curly red wig that, oh, I wish I could find it because it was so bomb. But so, I mean, I've worn color before, but this, I've never had a wig like this. And it was a human hair wig that is just exquisite. This is exquisite. Like, this is bomb. It's bomb. It's bomb. But anyway, I digress. That's it for this video, guys. I'll link everything down below. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to wash your hands, continue to social distance, continue to wear your masks, be kind to one another. I love you so much. I'll continue to pray for you. Please continue to pray for me, and we will see you next time. I love you. Bye.